Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I'm gonna show you guys today how to make Southern fried okra. Listen, I remember my mom and my aunt used to send me to Church of Chicken to get that Southern fried okra, and on the walk home, I used to pop me a couple of them, man, and them babies was good. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that today. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our okra. Now, of course, we're gonna cut these babies, but I just want you guys to see that we got that fresh whole okra here. We got cornmeal, flour, some buttermilk. Now here they don't have buttermilk, so I just use some whole milk and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Let it sit out for a while till it starts clumping up. You know your buttermilk is ready. Seasoned salt, some more flour here, Tabasco sauce, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and 1 egg right here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start preparing our flour, and we're just gonna add our cup of flour there, our cup of cornmeal, seasoned salt, black pepper, our paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're just gonna get this moved around, just like that. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and set that aside, and let's continue. All right, so now let's start preparing our okra, and we're just going to cut the top off like this, and also the bottom. And you want to cut these in like 1/2 inches. And you get about 4 pieces of okra per okra, depending on the normal size, just like that. And you can also make them as small as you want to. So let's do another one. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting all our okra, and we're gonna come right back. All right, so now we chopped our okra up, guys. Take a look at what we have right there. And all I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna sprinkle a little flour over this like this. I've already cleaned it, by the way, just so you guys know. I rinsed them off and cleaned them. And we're just gonna toss a little flour over it like this, just lightly. I'm also going to sprinkle it with a little seasoned salt and a little black pepper. Add a little bit more flour. Just want that light coating on it. And we're just gonna toss that in there like that. So it looks like we're good there, guys. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna continue. All right, so let's go ahead and start making our egg wash. So we're gonna take our buttermilk, I'm gonna add to this bowl along with our egg and our Tabasco sauce. And we're just gonna get that whisked up. Just like that. Now we're gonna take our okra and we're gonna place it inside our egg wash. And you wanna make sure you get that all submerged into this egg wash. You know, just move it around. And we're gonna let this sit in here for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so we're about 10 to 15 minutes in. Let's start taking our okra, and you can use your hands, you know, shake off some of the excess. Now, what I did was I drained some of the excess egg wash on it. That way you don't have too much of it, flour too clunky. Gonna put these babies in here. Start tossing them around in here, just like this. Once you get them fully coated, I got a rack over here. I'm just dropping them over here on the rack. Guys, it's just that simple. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. And while I'm finishing off the rest of them, I have my oil preheating up to 350 degrees. So once I'm done, we can go ahead and drop these babies in that hot grease, all right? So we breaded all our okra. Let's head over to the stove and check the temperature so we can get these babies baptized. All right, so it looks like our oil is up to temperature. We're gonna start dropping these babies in here. And guys, it's important to not overcrowd your pan. Cook these in really, really small batches, maybe 10 to 15 at a time, because you want to make sure you get them crisp. And you want these babies to fry really, really hard, all right? And we're gonna let these cook 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown. All right, guys, it looks like we're good right here on this batch. So let's go ahead and get these babies removed. We have right there. I'm gonna sit them here on a wired rack, and we're gonna continue with the rest of our okra. We're just gonna add them here to our pan, turn our heat off, and guys, let's head over to our cutting board. Guys, take a look at what we have here. And the only thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna garnish it with a little parsley. Just add a little additional color to it. And there you have it, Southern fried okra. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control, guys, so we can test it out. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, we're back in here, quality control time. Y'all already know what the business is. So we got our fried okra, Southern fried okra. We're gonna bring it up to the congregation that y'all see what we work with. And you know, I got that hot sauce now. It's how I eat my okra with a little hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put a little hot sauce on there right there. Let's do a taste here. Baby. Oh man. This how I remember that okra. This is the only way I'm eating okra, fried. Because as everybody know, when you cook it whole with slimy, oh man, I can't stand when that okra be in that gumbo. You got okra in your gumbo, I ain't eating none of it. Can't do that okra. Gotta be fried, baby. Delicious, guys. Check out the ingredients and the measurements in the video description below. And until the end, y'all know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.